Matthew works at a company from Monday to Friday. But on weekends, he has a lot of free time. So he decides to use his car as a delivery vehicle for some added income. During his first month, he unfortunately gets into minor car accidents, which result in several unnecessary expenses. Matthew realizes at this rate, he may have more losses than profits. As he's about to cancel his account, he comes across Perla Insurance's ad on insuring delivery vehicles. Thinking he has nothing to lose, he decides to insure. This is the best decision of his life. Now, Matthew is worry-free. The only thing on his mind is earning more and keeping his customers happy. Thanks to Perla Insurance, he feels secure because he's in good hands.
All is well, all is well.